What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to disavow links from your website to protect your SEO, your strategy, to save you from spam score and Google penalties, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites' favors. So let's get this started. First thing, let's understand what is backlinks, okay? This is a post from Sam Hush blog, okay? And when it comes from building strong website, backlinks are one of the most important factors, however, that contributes to the general sense of uncertainty that surrounds the managing of backlinks, okay? Unlike some other topics, Google has been quite forthcoming on their backlink disavowal views and its place on the search engine optimization toolbox, okay? Why disavow links, okay? Basically, the simple thing is backlinks are good, okay? Backlinks can enhance your website SEO, the page rank, okay? However, there is bad backlinks. Not all the backlinks are good. Imagine that you receive a backlinks for a site that receives a Google penalty, a toxic site, okay? How to remove that? You have no control over other person's website, so you can not only contact persons, you don't know how to contact persons. Google have a search a tool, a solution for this problem. You can ask Google to ignore such link or such links for your website in this domain. How to do this? This is what I'm gonna learn in this video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. Okay, now let's continue, okay? First thing, you can go to Google and type this, disavow tool in Google Search Console, okay? You're gonna be able to see this second link right here, google.com tools disavow links main. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna be into a page just like this one, disavow links to your site. If you have a manual action against your site for unnatural links, or if you think that you are about to get one because of paid links or links chains that violate the quality guidelines, ask the other site to remove these links. If you can get these links removed, then disavow those sites using this tool. More information. This is an advanced feature and should only be used with caution. Click on it. If you use it incorrectly, these features can potentially harm your site's performance in Google search results. We recommend that you only disavow backlinks if you believe that there are no considerable number of spammy, artificial, or low-quality links pointing to your site. If you are confident that these links are causing issues for you, okay? Now, all you have to do, select the property, okay? You need to have a property uploaded on Google Search Console, okay? So, how to add property? You have explanations, you have tutorials how to doing this, okay? You're gonna select the property. In my case, this is this website right here. Now, no links or domains are correctly disallowed for this property. Now, let's start imagining that in this domain, for this domain, there is a very toxic backlink for example domain.com. How to fix this? You need to upload a file. There is a button, okay? Upload text file txt with links or domains to disallow. Required disallow format. This is gonna open this window for you. It's very important for you to read, but the most important part is this format, this example, okay? We're gonna copy that. If you are on Windows, you can open the Notepad++, okay? Or the Notepad Simple. You're gonna copy, you're gonna place the site right here. And right here, we're gonna enter the domain, for example, okay? For example, domain, badsite.com. In the case that you want to disallow only in specific page of some domain, you're gonna enter right here in the page to disallow, okay? And if you are worrying about the domain, entire domain linking to your site, you can enter with the domain problem, the problematic domain right here. Now we're gonna move to File, save as. Now you're gonna save it as .txt and go back to this tool, click on upload the disavow list and upload the list. Google gonna take some time to fix this, but the link will not be counted for Google to your site, okay? And this gonna fix lots of problematic issues, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our blog for more SEO tips and thevisualmodo.com for more SEO tools and ideas for you. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.